Alright everyone, I'm here to talk about a new accessory I got for my Rivian R1T. Over at opensourceev.com, previously known as Rivi Parts, they sell this awesome 3D printed accessory that sits right here between the center display and the driver display, with the addition of this Spigen MagSafe holder. You can put your phone on here. So for example, I have a phone here and it connects via MagSafe and it holds very nicely. You can have it like this, or you can, turn it if you like. So this is a really great accessory. The only issue I find myself with is, if you're sitting here driving and you have that there, the steering wheel here kind of blocks your view. And so it's not awesome. It could be better. So folks over at opensourceev.com created a new version of this, and I have that right here with me. It's this one. This one will actually go over here on the left side of the driver dash, right here on the top of the air vent. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew it because it does require unscrewing. It's two parts. We'll go ahead and put it in and give it a shot. Okay, so here we got the first piece in. It goes right here. Kind of sits a little loose right there, but it holds very nicely. I'm going to go ahead and put the next part in and screw it in. All right, so now I got the other piece put in right here. I haven't tightened the screw yet, but it does require a little force. As you can see, this part sits back here, kind of tucks behind the A-pillar here. Sits right there, so I'm going to go ahead and tie the nut up and see, and we'll put on the spigot mount I have and see how that looks. All right, guys, so I got the new left side, driver's side phone mount 3D part from Open Source EV put in. I got my Spigen MagSafe adapter in place. You can obviously turn it around and put it however you like. I chose this orientation. And I have a phone here. I'm going to go ahead and plop it on there. Boom. So now it's right there. I'm going to go ahead and close the door here on the truck. And now, as you can see, that is an unobstructed view of the phone on this side versus this side, where we had this old part in there. So this is still a great piece and they still sell it. But if you want something a little better, and you're just having it over here on this side of the car and, unobstructed by the steering wheel, I definitely would choose the left mount one. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. They even have a discount code you can use, and I'll put that again in the description below. If you are a owner who's bought the other one that goes on this side, you can get a discount on this one over here. And they also have the 3D blueprint available, so you yourself can 3D print it if you have a 3D printer yourself. So I'll go ahead and put all that in the description below, but check it out. This was a little quick video, but I just wanted to show you this really cool accessory. Again, huge improvement, I think, personally, over the other one, and I love it. So yeah, check it out. Check all of the information down in the description below, and thanks for watching.